This is Darshana Goshen with your daily news update for January 23rd, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Stocks advanced in Asian trading on Friday after the Bank of Japan left benchmark interest rates on hold. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was last up 0.5%, while the Nikkei 225 climbed 0.3%. South Korean stocks led gains in Asia, with the Kospi up for a third day by 0.9%. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.05 points or 0.25% to 425.22. Total trade volume was down with 95,429 shares changing hands at a total value of 561.6 million real or over $140,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up, led by Grand Twins International, while 2 stocks were down, with MJQ Education as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DVD Engineering was down, JS Land stayed flat, and Picasso City Garden rose. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real stayed flat at 4,030 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.36. Turning to global commodities, oil prices rebounded on Friday after U.S. President Donald Trump renewed threats against major Middle Eastern producer Iran, raising concerns of military action that could disrupt supplies. Brent crude futures for March rose 0.5% to $64.35 US dollars a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude also climbed 0.7% to $59.65 US dollars a barrel. Gold notched another record high, while silver and platinum also extended gains to hit all-time peaks. Spot gold was down 0.4% at $4,917.37 US dollars an ounce after scaling a record $4,967.03 US dollars earlier in the day, up 14% in less than a month in 2026. US gold futures for February delivery added 0.2% to $4,921.70 US dollars per ounce. Moving on now to other business-related news, a flagship modern agricultural community in Cambodia's Tramkak district in Takeo province has successfully scaled production of cauliflower for commercial markets, marking a significant shift from subsistence monocropping to high-value diversified farming. The expansion into cauliflower production is viewed as a milestone for the Cambodian government's Modern Agricultural Community Initiative. The Minister of Commerce, Her Excellency Chamni Mol, shared that she met with Vice President of the MEDEF International, Francois Corbin, in Paris on January 23rd during her visit to Europe for the World Economic Forum. MEDEF International is a French business organization and part of the French Employers Federation. It was established in 1989 to support French companies seeking to expand their business operations abroad, particularly in emerging and developing markets. Russian company Lotus Group and its Cambodian partner JFT Jet have developed new strategic initiatives, including a feasibility study for establishing direct flights between Russia and Phnom Penh or to other tourist destinations in Cambodia to meet growing customer demand. This information was shared by representatives of Lotus Group and JFT Jet during their courtesy visit to the Cambodian Minister of Tourism on January 21st. Lotus Group believes that such direct flights between Russia and Cambodia would help increase the number of Russian tourists and investors, as well as visitors from other Russian-speaking communities traveling to Cambodia. And that's all for today's update. This was Darshana Goshen for B2B Asia News.